Okay, I got this piece of wood from a friend of mine. I believe it's going to end up being too soft, but it's interesting. It's an oak tree from his yard. You can see that's maybe 2-3 inches across, and then it bulges out here in the center to 4 or 5 inches across, and then it gets back to 3 inches across here. You can see though, I don't know if you can tell, that's moving. So I'll be prepared for it to come flying apart. I've put it on with my woodworm screw. I think it's firmly attached, but I'm going to be extra careful here.